Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace drive belt Ford Ecosport, easy method. Begin by parking on level ground and disconnecting the battery before you touch the belt. I'll cover safety, tools, belt routing, and tensioner release in clear steps so you can follow along. Pay attention to pulley condition and routing details to avoid mistakes. Work methodically and keep parts organized for a smooth reinstallation and secure result. Start by gathering the right tools: a socket set, breaker bar, serpentine tool, and a new belt matching your engine. Remove any engine covers and locate the belt routing diagram or take a photo before you begin. Wear gloves and eye protection and keep a flashlight handy for tight spaces. Double-check belt part number and tensioner condition before you begin removing components and lay out tools within easy reach. Please subscribe and like if you're finding this helpful. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for long garage sessions with clear, glare-free reading and long battery life, so manuals and how-tos are easy to access at the bench. I appreciate your time and questions in the comments. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Loosen the tensioner using the appropriate tool while holding the pulley to relieve belt tension. Then slide the belt off accessories and remove it. Compare the old belt to the new one for length and rib alignment before installation. Route the new belt around pulleys following the diagram and leave the tensioner for last. Then apply tension and rotate the engine by hand 2 turns to seat the belt and confirm correct alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.